Who is regarded as the father of Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Who was the chairman of Constitutional Assembly of India? Right answer is option A, Rajendra Prasad. The idea of Indian Constitution was first given by whom? Right answer is option B, M.N. Roy. The Indian Constitution closely follows the constitutional system of. Right answer is option D, Britain. Under which article President of India can declare state emergency? Right answer is option C, Article 356. Insertion of liberty, equality and fraternity in preamble derived from. Right answer is option A, French Revolution. Which article defines equality before law and equal protection of law? Right answer is option B, Article 14. What is minimum age to stand for election to the Lok Sabha? Right answer is option D, 25 years. Which is regarded as the fourth pillar of a democracy? Right answer is option C, media. Chief Election Commissioner of India is appointed by whom? Right answer is option A, President of India. In which year Constitution of India was amended for the first time? Right answer is option B, in the year 1951. Which amendment is related to goods and services tax? Right answer is option D, 101st Amendment. Initially, how many members were the part of Constituent Assembly? Right answer is option C, 389. Which house is called Council of States in Indian Parliament? Right answer is option A, Rajya Sabha. Which house is called the House of the People in Indian Parliament? Right answer is option B, Lok Sabha. Fundamental duties are derived from which country in Indian Constitution? Right answer is option D, Russia. What was the number of princely states in India at the time of partition? Right answer is option C, 565. Who is the Supreme Commander of India's Defence Forces? Right answer is option A, President of India. How many members are nominated by President of Rajya Sabha? Right answer is option B, 12 members. How many times has financial emergency been declared in India? Right answer is option D, never. What is the minimum age required to vote in Indian elections? Right answer is option C, 18 years. How many schedules are there in Indian Constitution currently? Right answer is option A, 12 schedules. Who signed the bill passed by the Parliament in India? Right answer is option B, President of India. How many times a person can be elected as the President of India? Right answer is option D, no bar. The Indian Constitution is divided into how many parts originally? Right answer is option C, 22 parts. What is maximum strength of Lok Sabha in Parliament of India? Right answer is option A, 552. Which Indian state has highest number of Lok Sabha constituencies? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. How many women were elected to the first Lok Sabha election in India? Right answer is option D, 14 women. How many official languages are there in India as per the constitution? Right answer is option C, 22 languages. Who is the chairperson of the Lok Sabha in Parliament of India? Right answer is option A, Speaker. Which is one of the largest Lok Sabha constituency in India? Right answer is option B, Ladakh. In which state of India was Panchayati Raj first implemented? Right answer is option D, Rajasthan. Under which article every citizen in India has right to health? Right answer is option C, Article 21. In which article of Constitution President of India is mentioned? Right answer is option A, Article 52. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in India currently? Right answer is option B, 543 constituencies. What is the retirement age of a judge of Supreme Court? Right answer is option D, 65 years. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected for a time period of. Right answer is option C, 6 years. Who can call the joint session of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Right answer is option A, President of India. Which article of the Constitution of India defines Panchayati Raj? Right answer is option B, Article 243. This question is as a test that what is the maximum number of seats for Rajya Sabha in Parliament? Your options are option A 150, option B 200, option C 250 and option D 300. You have 5 seconds to answer of this question and your time starts now. So please type your answer of this question in this video comment box. Please support and share this video to friends and relatives. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. So like, share, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.